I intend to resign as party leader, as prime minister, after the party selects its next leader through a robust, nationwide, competitive process. Last night, I asked the president of the Liberal Party to begin that process.
Bababa na sa kanyang pwesto bilang Prime Minister at Liberal leader hanggang makapili ng bagong pinuno ang kanyang partido. Ito ang inanunsyo ni Prime Minister Justin Trudeau Lunes matapos ang 9 na taon bilang leader ng Canada at ng Liberals.
I have always been driven by my love for Canada, by my desire to serve Canadians and by what is in the best interest of Canadians. And Canadians deserve a real choice in the next election, and it has become obvious to me with the internal battles that I cannot be the one to carry the Liberal standard into the next election.
Magiging paralisado rin muna ang House of Commons matapos tanggapin ng Governor General ang hiling ni Trudeau na ihinto muna ang Parliament hanggang March 24. Ani Trudeau, naiintindihan daw niya ang mga panawagan sa kanya mismong partido na bumaba na siya sa pwesto. Mga panawagang nagsimula ng sunod-sunod na matalo sa by-elections, sa mga riding na karaniwang baluarte ng Liberals, mga panawagang umigting panglalo sa biglaang resignation ng dating Deputy Prime Minister, ang kanyang constituent sa Montreal riding na Papineau. Di na raw ikinabigla ang anunsyo ng Prime Minister.
It's about time. It's a big loss, but it's about time.
Pero sa Toronto, ikinagulat ng maraming Pilipino ang pagbaba sa pwesto ni Trudeau.
I feel kinda shocked. Nangako siya na bibigyan niya ng status, especially those people who are undocumented. Hindi natupad yun. So it was very shocking.
I think he has a good policy except for the influx of the students. But so far I'm shocked really that he resigned.
Ayon kay dating Manitoba Cabinet Minister at Conservative MLA John Reyes, posible mang makatulong ito sa Liberals. Malabong pumabor muli sa partido ang karamihan ng mga botante, lalo't higit 1 taon nang nangunguna ang Conservatives sa maraming polls.
Ultimately, from experience, if you're going to run a successful team and a successful government, you're going to have to be on the same page. I don't believe that, again, there'll be a communication strategy that can rescue the Liberal Party. Yes, there'll be a fresh face, but I don't think it'll change the minds of the majority of Canadians.
Pinaniniwalaan din ng mga eksperto na kahit pa magkaroon ng bagong Liberal leader sa pagbabalik ng Parliament sa Marso, hindi na makakaligtas ang partido sa confidence vote na hudyat ng maagang halalan.
It buys them time, but I don't know if that'll be enough time because there's a saying, when you tend to rush, you tend to make mistakes, and they're going to have to really organize and get people within their party together, attract new members. So it's definitely going to be an uphill battle.
Nakatakda ang susunod na pagpupulong ng Liberal Caucus sa Miyerkules, kung saan ilalatag ng President at National Board ng kanilang partido ang mga patakaran sa leadership race. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.